It's time to welcome a new member to the family. Built on Sutphen's renowned Extreme Duty Monarch custom chassis, the Sutphen SLTDA 105 features the quality and craftsmanship you know from Sutphen in a tractor-drawn aerial. With a 62.5-inch wide tillerman's cab and low-resting aerial device, the apparatus provides a comfortable ride with clear sight lines for the tillerman. Flow rated at 1,500 gallons per minute from the monitor, the Sutphen SLTDA 105 will go to work with a 750-pound tip load when dry and 500-pound tip load when flowing water. Along with compartment space options upward of 620 cubic feet, a 15-degree angle of departure, and the ability to be set up at a 90-degree jackknife, the Sutphen TDA provides robust and customizable tractor-drawn aerial capabilities. Sutphen, bringing family, experience, and quality to your department since 1890.